If they're punching like this, what we call drowning in a swimming pool, then that's probably not the gym for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you what to look for when searching for a new boxing gym. Coach Brandon here, owner of Flawless Boxing and Fitness here in Sacramento, California. I was formerly #1 ranked amateur boxer in the country, proud member of USA national team, formerly #1 ranked contender as a professional fighter. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To be sure to never miss a video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell. Boxing has become the biggest fitness trend in the industry. So today I want to show you what to look for when you're searching for a new boxing gym, as well as a trainer to help you become better at the sport. I know some people just use boxing strictly for fitness, and some people actually want to get in the ring and possibly compete. No matter what reason you're going to a gym, I want you to be careful and look out for these things when searching for a new boxing gym. Tip number 1, a boxing ring. Now I know a boxing ring is a huge investment, but so is a gym membership. You want to make sure that that boxing gym is serious about training their members. Making an investment in a boxing ring shows you that. Also, after training, learning how to hit the bags, learning proper technique, you may eventually want to get in there and test yourself in sparring. Maybe not full contact, maybe even light sparring, but the boxing ring is the only place that I would recommend doing that at. It's going to give you a better understanding on angles, movement, and everything that you should be learning in your training. So if a boxing gym has taken the time and the money to invest in a boxing ring for their gym, then you know that they're more than likely have these options available for you. If I'm looking for a new boxing gym, I definitely want to make sure that they have a boxing ring inside their facility. Tip number 2, a double-in bag. In my opinion, the double-in bag is the most important bag in a boxing gym. It's going to help you with your timing, with your combination punching, your defense, and it's going to help you increase your overall boxing skills. This bag is a must in any boxing gym. I have my fighters spend just as much time on this bag, if not more, than a heavy bag. Sure, we all love the allure and the attraction of the heavy bag. It's in all the movies. It looks great punching with power and combinations, but this bag right here is the most important bag when developing a fighter. I guarantee it. So if you walk inside the boxing gym and you don't see one of these, be very wary before signing up for a membership. Don't say I didn't warn you. Now, these are just a couple things that you want to look for when searching for a new boxing gym. Every gym is going to have heavy bags. They're going to have some floor space for you to work out. They're going to have instructors teaching the class. But the third and final tip is probably the most important one I'm going to give you. Google research. You want to make sure the person that is teaching you boxing is qualified. Just like any other profession, a mechanic, a lawyer, a doctor, you want to make sure they have the right credentials and are certified to be teaching you proper technique. Why is proper technique important? Injury. I don't want you to get injured during your training, so proper technique is not only going to maximize your workout, but it's also going to help you from getting hurt. How do we make sure our trainer is qualified? I'm not going to get into the big debate whether the person training you should be a former fighter or not. That's a huge debate in boxing. I don't want to touch on that in this video, but I do want you to make sure that that person has a basic understanding of boxing. Not only the technique, but knowledge in the sport. I would definitely ask them if they have fought before, amateur or pro. I would also ask them if they train fighters. You may want to come during one of their training sessions to see what their clients look like, to see if they're using proper form and technique, and you can kind of understand the difference between someone that's punching correctly and incorrectly just by looking at them. If they're punching like this, what we call drowning in a swimming pool, then that's probably not the gym for you. But if their punches look straight, tight, and are accurate, then that's probably going to give you a good indication that the trainer knows the basic fundamentals. You also want to fact check. Now, if the trainer or trainers tell you that they're former fighters, if they fought amateur, it may be a little more difficult to fact check, but if they did tell you that they box professionally, you can check the internet to make sure they're qualified. If they tell you they're 25-0 with 25 knockouts, you can go on a website. It's called boxrec.com. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You can search any fighter that has ever boxed, their training record, some of their fights. It'll give you a complete breakdown of their background. Some have made it quite far in the sport. You may see a little biography on them as well. My main purpose of this video is I don't want you to waste time and money for a trainer that just talks a good game, but really doesn't have the knowledge or skills to teach you proper boxing technique. So definitely look out for these 3 tips when searching for a new boxing gym. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to never miss a video. I'm Coach Brandon, and remember, I'm always in your corner.